It was one of the most significant acquisitions in ABB's history. When ABB bought B&R in 2017, it closed a historic gap in the company's offering, giving them a complete end-to-end portfolio in machine and factory automation.
Effectively, we'll become a powerhouse, one-stop shop that is basically unrivaled in the industry.
Together, we will have an unmatched portfolio on digitalization for our customers in the fourth industrial revolution.
And 1 year on, that integration has been so successful that a major expansion is now being announced. A further ABB investment of €100 million, laying the foundation for some 1,000 new jobs here in Austria. That's the biggest organic investment in automation in ABB's 130-year history, and a powerful vote of confidence in the acquisition of B&R, which has become the nerve centre of ABB's new machine and factory automation business unit. Founded in 1979, B&R specialises in control systems for advanced factories, in particular a kind of digital computer called a programmable logic controller, or PLC. Their home at Egelsberg in Upper Austria is now set to become a global innovation and education campus, including cutting-edge R&D laboratories and an automation academy to train employees, customers and partners in the newest automation technology. Combined with ABB's own expertise in advanced robotics, drives, control systems, sensors and software, it means ABB is now ideally positioned to create the technologies of the factory of the future and make sure more people than ever before are able to seize the opportunities of the fourth industrial revolution.